So how important is the human side, the human interpersonal skills in the legal field right now?
Yeah, it's huge. And I wish I had spent more time on this earlier in my career. I remember being a very insecure, people throw around the term imposter syndrome. When I was a younger paralegal, I felt like I didn't know what I was doing. I was afraid to go knock on a partner's door or ask for advice. Every work product I would turn in would get marked up in red, and I'd sit there and I'd ask other people and try to figure it out.
You're used to the hot seat, though. Come on.
Used to it, but it's still somewhat demoralizing and scary, right? When it's a non-attorney trying to figure things out. And so the human side, like what I always say is, you can learn more in a 2-minute conversation
for sure.
with somebody than you can spending an hour on an email and getting a response. Plus, busy attorneys like yourselves, you don't want to get a densely worded, hyper-technical email that you have to spend the time to respond to. So put your stuff aside, knock on the door, pick up the phone,
have a conversation.
Face-to-face, invite someone out for barbecue. Go sit down and have a conversation. You're going to learn so much more. And developing those relationships carry with you through your career. The best man at my wedding, he was an associate at the first law firm that I worked with that I really partnered up with, and we learned a lot about spoliation cases and e-discovery abuse cases on a big Motorola case. He's still my best friend, my very first e-discovery vendor. Had lunch with him last week from 20 years ago. We're still very close. He's in Dallas. These relationships carry with you and they help you out. I know with you, if I come across a tool that I've never used before and maybe I have a student or somebody that needs to understand it, I could pick your brain and you'll call them directly and have a conversation. Yeah, it's the biggest thing is understanding how to approach people, how to talk to people, how to translate between legal and common language so people understand what you need. Yeah, it's huge.